So Jay, we're back again. So we got all sides completed now. Pretty happy about that. Now we're gonna get the windscreen on. As we can see, I put one of those automotive fasteners in there, clips you call them. My finger. There it is. You can see how you can just push the push pin right in there. Right in there. You see the other kind pops out and it runs from you, so kind of a pain in the ass to get. Anyhow, we got this screen from PUG. This is called a touring windshield. So I'm hoping that will offset the problem of buffeting on my head. The other windshield had the PUG extension on top, and that worked great. I just want one that I don't have anything on top. So this should fix that problem. So we'll get that in. And let's see here if I can set it up on here so you can see what I'm doing. Oops. Come on, get up there. Alright. It could probably be higher than that, but I don't think it's going to... I'm able to get it higher. Better, actually, if I get up there. Stop falling down, damn you. I think it's falling down. Well, we'll have to do that. It's the best I can do there at the angle, so let's get to work and you can watch me here. Got the screen. Here's the screen here. Let's put it on. All right, get the parts. We got the two big bolts. I can't see where that video is showing, but we got the two big bolts here with the washers. Let's put them in. They go in the middle to hold the windshield on, and the other bolts go up top. There was a rubber isolation barrier in between here, but I put the one that came with it behind it, and the other one stuck on the other windshield, so you can't get that one off. Just have to live without it. We're putting two of those bolts in. Get the proper wrench out here. Oop. Try that yellow one. Yep. Of course, you want to make it tight enough. Make it nice and snug. Gotta get one bigger than that. Maybe our right guy here. Too big. Alright, we are going to have to use our hex keys here. Tighten it up a bit. That works good. It's nice and snug. Alright, that's definitely nice and snug on there. Now we're going to attach the plastic bracket with the other screws. Okay. Got the brackets, and we got the screws. There. Good. Okay, back up. Fit in there, it does. Good. Plastic one's going in there. Looks good. And the bottom one's in here. Snug tight. Tight. Alright, everything's on there, snug tight. Just the way I like it. Let's mount the bike and see what it looks like. This is at the tallest setting, how high the windscreen comes up with the helmet. It looks like it should go right over my helmet. If not, we can always attach that PUG thing again, the other windscreen, to get it higher. But it looks like it covers pretty good distance. I'm going to install now the other wind deflectors I had on before. And you can watch how they go on. And once again, these other wind deflectors are from Project D from China. They work good. See how much time we got on the clock here. Eight minutes. We have to do another one here. Let me see what time we got. Yeah, these will definitely work good. All right. So the way these things go in are the small ones. So I don't know what you can see here, but the small ones go on top, the big ones go on the bottom, because there's not that much depth. The depth, is different in each one. Let's put them in. Oh. All right. Yep, keep them on there as a challenge too, as we can see. washers in too, in the holes. Some Loctite in these guys too. What? Okay. We'll be right back with part 2 of this. Thanks for watching.